welcome to www.smartkitprojects.com. The name of this project is Vehicle with Advanced Security System. Now, in this vehicle system, we have used many sensors, like we have used this gas sensor, this fire sensor, alcohol sensor and a shock sensor with GPS and GSM. So GPS, what the GPS do is it will track your vehicle and it will show the position of your car on this screen. As you can see, now current is 19. You can check on this Google map. Now this is the advanced system. It can be used in ME projects also. So first I will explain you what are the components we have used, and later on I will show you a live demonstration of the project. So as you can see, this is a shock sensor. This is an alcohol sensor here. This is a a fire sensor, and this is a gas sensor. As you can see, this is a LCD 8051 microcontroller, power supply, GSM module which sends the message, and GPS tracking module, and LEDs and buzzer. Now I will show you live demonstration of how the project works. Now for an example, I'll just keep this mobile here, that you can see that I have received a message. So if a car met with an accident, so it has detected that the car has hit, or the shock wave has detected an accident, and now it is sending message on the registered number. So we have registered right now this phone. So it will send a message in the proximity of 15 seconds, 15 to 20 seconds max. So it will send with the location and a message. Now I'll just for a moment switch off the system, because now I've got the message. Now I have to make the system active. What I did is I just temporarily switched off this circuit and then again switched on, because I have to show you for a demo purpose. That is the reason. So I'll just show you the message I have received. As you can see, as you can see, the message from SmartKit. Oh, the car has been hit, car location. See, as you can click here and see the location of your car. So now for this it will show us Kandivali, as our office is situated there. Now again, so for this I have showed you a live demonstration of how I received the message. Now I'll not I'll just switch off the system as soon as the car hits, or it catches fire or anything. For I want to avoid sending message again to my mobile. So for an example, now if the car catches fire, as you can see, we have blown up the lighter, system active, and I don't want to send the message, so I just switch off and again switch on. Now this will not send a message, because this is a demo I am showing you. Now again, to show you how the gas sensor works, again I'll blow off the lighter, and then I'll show you how it detects the gas. See the system. Now again I will show you how I'll get the message in the mobile phone that gas has been detected. I'll receive a message in the proximity of 15 seconds, as I told you previously. Now I'll receive a message. the car fire detection in the car. I forgot to switch off the system, so I got the message also for this. As you can see, to view this clear fire detector in car previously, and now the gas has been hit. The car is being hit, and car gas detection. This is the new one, gas detection. Car location, latitude and longitude. So in both the cases, every cases we have received a message from the system. So thank you for watching the video and warm welcome from smartkidprojects.com. Please subscribe us if you like the video.